Okay, we're just going to quickly look at what we can do once we've got our original chart in Excel from our iPad. So this is the same file that I was working on my iPad, saved in OneDrive, opened in Excel on a PC or Mac. So this is the chart we created all together. As you can see, it's years 0 to 30. And we also still have this 30 to 100. So to go about changing this, if we click on there and actually, just click. Over the side here, we've got a bunch of options. If I click on the graph one, axis options, I can change my minimum to whatever value I want to. So I change it to 10 and straight away we can see that smooths out a lot more. The other thing we might want to do for our graph is actually change this horizontal axis. A little bit different there. What we're going to do there is, I believe, go to... select our grid. We want to select data up here. Okay, and click on the edit button here. So when we edit this, we can see we've got our Y value, which are all our dots. Haven't yet selected X values. So if I click on this here, I'm able to make that smaller, come over here and select the year levels that I want there. So if I press enter, that should be okay. And now you can see our data here hasn't changed, but we've got our years from 1985 up to 2020. Again, if we want to, we can click on that horizontal, go to the axis options and say, well, my first data is 1991. So if I go from 1990 to 2020, ooh. Just get rid of those little edge bits. Okay, so that's how we can go about changing our axes and the data that we're looking at there. We can then have a look at, well, how do we fit different lines to this? And we'll do that in the next video. There we go.